Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Discover tab for new content. In 2026, the traditional Discover tab, the magnifying glass at the bottom, has been largely replaced in the mobile application by the Friends tab. Now, to find a new content, what you can do is go ahead and tap on this explore button, and you should be able to find all the latest content over here. Or what you can do is go ahead and tap on this search button, then type in any, and from here you should be able to type any hashtags that you are a bit familiar with to find new contents. Or as you can see, the TikTok itself has also suggested few of the contents that you may like, and once you go ahead and click on that specific title, you should be able to find all the latest contents over there, or even the top contents, videos, and also related users who are making these top contents. I hope this video helps you out a lot, and if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.